Haley, I know you miss your mom, and I know you miss your dad. When I'm gone, but I'm trying to give you the life that I never had. I can see you're sad, even when you smile, even when you laugh. I can see it in your eyes, deep inside you wanna cry, cause you're scared, I ain't there. Daddy's with you in your prayers, no more crying, wiping tears. Daddy's here, no more nightmares. We gon' pull together through it, we gon' do it. Lately, uncle's crazy, and yeah, but he loves you, girl, and you better know. Hush, little baby, don't you cry, everything is gonna be alright. Thinking that I fell in love, little lady, I told ya, Daddy's here to hold ya through the night. It's funny, that's when Daddy went to California with his CD and met Dr. Dre and flew you and Mama out to see me. Daddy had to work you and Mama had to leave me. Then you started seeing Daddy on the TV. Mama didn't like it and knew Lainey was too young to understand it. Papa was a Rolling Stone, Mama developed a habit in it. All had to do fast for either one of us to grab it. I'm just sorry you were there, had to witness it firsthand, cause all I ever wanted to do was just make you proud. Now I'm sitting in this empty house, just reminiscing, looking at your baby pictures. It just ships me out to see how much you both have grown. It's almost like your sisters now. Wow, guess you pretty much up. Daddy, see here, Lainey, I'm talking to you too. Daddy, see here, I like the sign that shit. It's got a ring to it, don't it? Mama's only down for the moment. Daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. I'ma give you the world. I'm about to bring for you. I'ma sing for you. I'll do anything for you to see you smile. And if that mockingbird don't sing and the ring don't shine, I'ma break that birdie's neck. I go back to the jeweler who sold it to ya, and making me every carat, don't mess with that. Ha.
Wow!